Welcome back, future writing maestros. In our first video, we set the stage for our IGCSE writing journey. Today, we are diving straight into the heart of it. Well, understanding paper 1, the non-fiction text and transactional writing exam. This video will give you the precise breakdown of the paper, what kind of questions to expect, and how writing will be assessed. Knowing this inside out is the first step to success. Just to quickly recap from our last session, transactional writing is writing that has a specific purpose and is aimed at a specific audience. You're communicating to achieve an outcome. Think of it like a transaction. You're using words to get something done, to inform, to persuade, advise, or complain. It's a purposeful communication. In the exam, specifically in section B, you will encounter various forms of transactional writing. Some of the most common include letters, formal, like complaint letters, or informal, like giving advice, articles for newspapers or magazines to inform, to persuade, to entertain, or speeches designed to inform, persuade, or even inspire. Then comes reports, factual and objective, like an incident report. Then reviews, evaluating a product, a service, a book, or even a film. And sometimes advisory leaflets or guides providing information and guidance. Each of these forms has its own conversation and expectations, and we'll explore those in detail later. Now let's get to the exact structure of paper 1. The Pearson Edexcel English Language paper 1 has a time duration of 2 hours and 15 minutes, and it carries a total of 90 marks. This paper alone accounts for 60% of your overall English Language A grade. The paper is clearly divided into two distinct sections. Section A, which is reading. This section focuses on your reading comprehension and analysis skills. You'll be given 2 non-fiction texts, one unseen and one from the Pearson Edexcel English Anthology. You will answer 5 questions based on these texts. These questions will test your ability to select information, analyze language and structure, and compare writer ideas and perspectives. For this section, you are advised to spend about 1 hour and 30 minutes, including reading time. Then we move to section B, the transactional writing component. This is the section we are primarily focusing on in this series. Now, in section B, you will choose only one writing task from a choice of 2, usually labeled as question 6 and 7. These tasks will require for you to write in a specific transactional form for a given audience and a purpose. You will be advised to allocate about 45 minutes for this section. So, just to be clear, paper 1 is not just writing, it's a split paper with a significant reading component and the transactional writing component. Now let's zoom in on how your writing is marked in section B. This is where the assessment objectives, or AO, specific to writing comes into play. For the 45 marks in section B, examiners are looking at two key AOs. AO4, which is 27 marks of the 45. This is all about how effectively and imaginatively you communicate and how well you adapt your form, your tone, your register for the specific purpose and audience of the task. This is where your understanding of FAP or form, audience, and purpose is absolutely vital. Do you sound formal when you need to be? Is your article engaging for its target readers? Those are specifically the areas examiners are looking for. Then moving to AO5, which carries 18 marks of the 45. This is the section that assesses your ability to write clearly using a range of vocabulary and sentence structures with appropriate paragraphing, accurate spelling, grammar, and punctuation, of course. This is your VSPG, or vocabulary, spelling, punctuation, and grammar, and your overall organizing and fluency in writing. You can see that the VSPG component is worth a significant 18 marks on its own, and it only impacts how well you can demonstrate AO4. This is why we'll be spending a dedicated time on it. Getting the FAP right combined with a strong VSPG and organization is the recipe for high marks in this section. So to sum up this essential video, paper 1 is 2 hours 15 minutes, 90 marks, and has two sections, reading and transactional writing. For section B, you choose one question and you're marked on your FAP, which is AO4, and VSPG and organization, which is AO5. In our very next video, we are going to explore why these transactional skills are so powerful, not just for your exam, but for your future life academically, professionally, and personally. It's about seeing the bigger picture. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next session.